Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on my YouTube channel where we are going to talk about the symptoms of a bad or failing EGR valve. The exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) valve is a small component that is designed to facilitate the movement of gases in and out of the combustion chamber by simply opening and closing the valve. The role of the EGR stays the same irrespective of the engine system configuration. What are the symptoms of a bad failing EGR valve? Various symptoms can signify a faulty component in your vehicle's engine system. So you need to be very observant of the symptoms of a bad EGR valve. The first one, your engine has a rough idle. A rough idle when starting your vehicle or during brief stops, low engine speeds with a warmed-up engine, can be caused when the EGR is constantly open and a continuous flow of exhaust gases goes into the intake manifold. Number 2, poor acceleration. When your vehicle's engine valve is clogged, making it unable to close or open, this will cause the exhaust gas to flow into the intake manifold of your vehicle before it is needed by the engine. This causes poor acceleration while driving. The excess air will produce a lean mixture in your combustion chamber, and without the correct atmospheric oxygen ratios, there will be less power in the combustion stroke. Number 3, increased fuel consumption. Increased fuel consumption is caused when the valve is constantly open. This is because the temperature is lower, so fuel does not burn at the optimal temperature and as a result is less efficient. Number 4, you can smell fuel. You can usually smell fuel if there is a continuous flow of exhaust gases into the intake manifold, because at low revs, not all the fuel burns. This means the amount of hydrocarbon gases emitted from the tailpipe increases significantly, producing a fuel smell. Number 5, overheating of your vehicle. A bad EGR valve can be responsible for your vehicle's engine overheating. A clogged EGR valve will not prevent the release of nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere, so your engine might increase to dangerous levels of temperature. It will also leave unburned fuel in your exhaust, and this might cause a strong gasoline smell in your vehicle and reduce the efficiency level of your fuel or diesel. As the temperature gets to a very high point, it will finally lead to Y. Number 6, your engine management light stays on. Your engine management light may stay on once your car detects an issue with the EGR valve. This could be caused when the EGR is either constantly closed or open. However, it is worth noting that usually the EGR valve starts to degrade before it fails completely, and the engine management system may not pick up on it until it actually fails. Therefore, it is worthwhile looking out for the other signs and symptoms mentioned. Number 7, your car produces more emissions. When your EGR valve isn't working correctly, more emissions will be emitted. As aforementioned, if the valve is stuck open, the temperature is lowered, which prevents all the fuel from burning. This means an increased flow of unburned hydrocarbon gases coming out of the tailpipe. Number 8, strong gas fumes. Because of a bad EGR valve, your engine will use up more fuel or diesel than normal. There is a very high chance that there will be a release of fuel through the tailpipe of your vehicle's exhaust system. This condition can cause your vehicle's exhaust to produce fuel fumes. Irrespective of the location of your vehicle's cabin, you will perceive a strong gas fume, which is irritating and bad health-wise. When this odor is constantly perceived, you should pay attention to your EGR valve. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribed button. The next video. Stay healthy.